Pathian sarmi thil du nung tampi lak a minung chu sarmi thil vialte achung chuang a chia in sarmi kan si minung kan chua sem ning chu hiti hin asi ngak cha pakhat chu du nung ngai le thiang thim ngai in achuak chu ngak cha te ni chun kau kek swal nak te mi thil ti nung arak I chua bi Simen se chu kau kek swal nak ni chun anun mui nak lei a atem ton ri lo chu du no ngai mi ngak cha te chu avun thang del del I cha tha thaidan nak avun ngai achunga a mi kau kek swal nak zong chu avun lang avun thang del del chu kau kek swal nak ni chun that nak in chat lei pen kha adu tar del chu ni chun tua sar nak swal ti nung phun khat anun a avun rat pi kau kek swal nak le tua sar nak swal nak ni du sa te in pathian he chun a hat ter
Hello, đó dây tiền.
Đó, tuan cho party kalau se.
Tu dan tu biar kenapa ke kau hot so?
Ra kau, yang cuma masalah ini kau cantik kalau se, tantang pinggir itu sana.
Sebab kau tu dan tu kau se biar itu tu hai tak biar kau kau le.
Yeah, see, that's why I love you.
I love you too. See you.
Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Gotta get that. That. Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Gotta get that. 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 Yo, I got that hit to beat the block. You can get that bass on below. I got that rock and roll, that future flow.
Kau kek suan nak le, to sar nak suan nak ni fiting kan nun nak chu, so mui nak chu a apum. Kan boy pa Jesu Christ he a hat nak bit hun a, chia a kan zuam. Minong kan sinak in kan tay kau ti lo. Semen se lo alian ngan mi petian dot nak thongin. Nang la kay chu, suan nak chung in, dot ter kan si chang. Mi luat kan si chang. Misual akan do tu, Jesu nang ta na do ve mo. Jesu na do mo!
Yep. Listen up now, y'all. I'm gonna try to reach you. Class is now in session. Pay attention to the teacher. We're going through the book, Genesis to Revelation. I'll teach your head how to spread salvation to the nation. We'll start off with the basics, a checklist for the saints. Love the Lord with all your heart and mind and soul and strength. To fear the Lord is wisdom, to serve the Lord divine. But to really break it down, just repeat these words of mine. Say, I love Jesus. Yes, I do. Paper. The lesson now begins. First up, church artillery. We are war with sin. God trains us to evangelists, apostles, prophets too. Pastors, teachers, 5 and all. We got work to do. Discernment, tongues, interpretation, prophecy, and faith. Wisdom, knowledge, healing, miracles. Yeah, those are great. These gifts are like atomic bombs. They make the word explode. But they just don't mean nothing unless you know the code.